JL-207 light controller is perfect for South America's growing cities, offers intelligent control built for harsh environments with global certifications. What are the key features of JL-207 street light controller? JL-207 Photocell controller is a smart solution for South America's rising energy costs and urban growth. High reliability. JL-207's high-grade parts resist interference, ensuring reliability and longevity in tough outdoor conditions. International certifications. JL-207's international certifications ensure quality, safety, and global compatibility. Energy efficiency. JL-207 light photocell switch cuts energy use by up to 70%, supporting global energy savings and emission goals. Intelligent support. JL-207 supports Zigbee, LoRa, and Wi-Fi, enabling remote access and real-time control for smart city integration. Lux value adjustment. JL-207 has adjustable turn-on and turn-off levels for optimal energy usage. Turn-off time delay settings. JL-207 has customizable turn-on and turn-off delay settings to prevent false triggering. What are the market demand characteristics in South America? Brazil's outdoor lighting market is on fire, expected to hit $7.3 billion by 2033. Driven by urbanization, energy efficiency initiatives, and smart city investments like Curitiba. Argentina's lighting market is booming, expected to hit $557.32 million in 2025. Driven by the Efficient Public Lighting Initiative and eco-awareness. Chile's lighting market is booming, expected to hit $503.90 million in 2024. LED boom since 2015. How photosensor-based intelligent lighting will shape the world? The rise of IoT and intelligent control. JL-207's IoT connectivity via Zigbee, LoRa, and Wi-Fi enables real-time monitoring, fault alerts, and remote control. Demand for high efficiency and environmental friendliness. JL-207 light sensors reduce energy waste and extend product life. JL-207 light controller is a reliable and smart solution for South America's outdoor lighting. LongJoin supplies JL-207 photocells for trusted performance.